In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the current Python version on Windows 11. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, first of all, we are going to check the Python that is currently installed in your computer. So in order to check that, you will go to the taskbar, then click on the search, then search for CMD, then open. Then you are going to type Python space -version, then press on enter. So as you can see, this is the version that has been installed on my Windows 11, but I want to install the current version, which is 3.13.7. So first of all, I'm going to do away with this version. I'm going to uninstall it so that it will give space for the current version. So in order to uninstall, you are going to go to the search, then search for control panel, then open control panel, then go to view by and ensure that you have selected large icons. Now once you've done that, you will come to program and features, click on it. Then you want to identify the Python which has been installed on your PC. So I'm going to press on P and I'll be able to see it here. So I'm going to uninstall this program in order to install the current one. Just select the program, then click on uninstall. So it is going to take a little bit of time, so just give it time for it to finish. As you can see, I've uninstalled every program of Python here. So I'm just going to close this one. Then you will go to Google Chrome, then search for Python. Then you will see Python official website, www.python.org. So you are going to click on this button here, download the latest version. Then as you can see, the latest version is 3.13.7. So you are going to click on it. Then it will download here. So after it has finished to download, just double click on the program to run it. Then run. Then I'm going to minimize the Google Chrome. Then once you are here, you are going to select use admin privilege when installing. Then add Python exe to path. Then once you've selected that, click on custom installation. Then ensure that you have selected pip. This installs pip, which can download and install other Python packages. So ensure that you have selected that. Then click on next. Then install Python 3.13 for all users. Then click on install. Now as you can see, guys, setup was successful. So you are just going to close. Then you will go to command prompt, and then you will write Python space -version. Then press on enter. So as you can see, this is the previous version that was installed earlier. So I'm going to go to the path in order to set the path for this newly installed version. So I'll go to local C, then I'll go to program files, then Python 13. I'm going to see it here. Then you will go to this path, then copy the path. Then you'll go to the search, and then search for environment. Edit system environment variables. So open it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. You will come down here to environment variables. So once you are here under system variables, you are going to click on path, then edit. Now if you try to add new and you paste, so once you've done that, you just click on OK, then OK, then OK. Then you can close that. Then again you can open command prompt CMD, then run as administrator, then yes. Then now you can write Python space -version. So as you can see, the version is the one which we have installed. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to install Python, the latest version, as per the recording of this video on Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.